grand entrance is never just a door. It's the first impression of luxury, the first statement of personality, and the first detail people remember when they step into a premium villa. And this ultra-luxury double wooden main door design does exactly that. With its deep matte black wood finish and bold gold CNC inlay detailing, this design creates a powerful visual impact the moment you see it. The perfect symmetry across both shutters gives the door a balanced and premium architectural feel, while the geometric 3D carvings add depth, richness, and a modern luxury identity. The combination of black and gold is timeless. Black brings sophistication, strength, and exclusivity, while gold accents introduce elegance and a high-end luxury atmosphere. Together, they transform a simple entrance into a statement piece. What makes this design stand out even more is the precision craftsmanship. Every recessed groove, every metallic gold detail, and every sharp geometric edge is carefully aligned to create a seamless center pattern when both shutters meet. That continuous design flow gives the door a rich designer look often seen in ultra-modern villas and luxury mansions. And notice the long vertical brass handles placed perfectly at the center. These premium polished gold handles are not just functional, they become part of the design language itself. The reflective metallic finish catches the dramatic lighting beautifully, adding a refined luxury touch to the entire composition. The cinematic lighting enhances the depth of the carvings and highlights the metallic gold reflections, making the door feel bold, expensive, and visually powerful. Even in a minimal setting, this kind of entrance instantly elevates the overall appearance of a home. If you enjoy premium house design inspirations like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and support us for more ultra-modern entrance designs, luxury interiors, villa elevations, and unique architectural ideas from Sanjesh Construction. One of the most beautiful aspects of this design is its clean, modern approach. There are no floral carvings, no unnecessary decorative elements, and no overloaded textures. Instead, the focus stays on strong geometry, premium material contrast, and precision detailing. That simplicity is what creates true luxury. Modern homeowners today prefer entrance doors that feel bold yet elegant. And geometric CNC patterns are becoming increasingly popular because they blend perfectly with contemporary architecture. Whether paired with marble flooring, dark exterior cladding, ambient facade lighting, or modern glass elements, a door like this complements the entire luxury villa aesthetic effortlessly. The matte black surface also gives a soft premium texture instead of an overly glossy appearance. It absorbs light beautifully while allowing the gold inlays and brass hardware to stand out naturally. This balance between subtlety and richness is what defines high-end modern design. Another impressive detail is the hidden branding integration. The Sanjesh Construction engraving is subtly carved vertically into the outer edge of the right panel, blending naturally into the black wood. It doesn't dominate the design, yet it adds a signature identity in a classy and sophisticated way. That level of subtle detailing is what separates premium craftsmanship from ordinary work. This kind of entrance door design works exceptionally well for luxury duplex homes, contemporary villas, premium bungalows, and high-end urban residences. It creates a strong architectural focal point even before someone enters the house. And when combined with warm exterior lighting at night, the gold reflections and 3D carvings become even more dramatic and visually stunning. The entire entrance begins to feel like a luxury hotel or designer villa experience. If you're planning your dream home or looking for modern main door inspiration, this design proves that even a single element like the entrance can completely transform the personality of a house. For more premium door designs, luxury elevation concepts, interior inspirations, and modern architectural ideas, stay connected with Sanjesh Construction. Like, share, and subscribe for more rich luxury home design inspirations that combine modern elegance with timeless craftsmanship. And tell us in the comments, Would you choose this bold black and gold luxury entrance for your dream villa?
And especially at night. Imagine arriving home every evening and seeing this grand entrance illuminated with warm architectural lighting. The reflections, textures, and bold geometric patterns would create a truly unforgettable first impression every single time. That's the power of thoughtful design. And today, homeowners are moving toward cleaner, sharper, and more minimal luxury aesthetics exactly like this. Instead of heavy traditional ornamentation, modern villa designs focus on geometry, material quality, lighting, and precision detailing. This creates a sophisticated appearance that feels elegant for years without going out of style. If you love modern luxury house ideas like this, now is the perfect time to support the channel. Subscribe to Sanjesh Construction for more premium villa entrances, luxury interiors, modern elevations, gate designs, staircase inspirations, TV unit ideas, and rich architectural concepts designed for contemporary homes. Another standout feature in this design is the premium brass handle placement. The long vertical handles not only add functionality but also strengthen the visual height of the entrance. Their polished gold finish blends naturally with the CNC detailing, creating a cohesive luxury appearance from top to bottom. Even the smallest elements are carefully designed to maintain elegance and symmetry. Nothing feels random. Every line, every groove, and every metallic accent works together to create one unified luxury composition. This type of entrance design also pairs beautifully with multiple exterior styles. Whether the villa uses marble cladding, textured concrete, wood panel finishes, black stone surfaces, or modern glass architecture, this door adapts effortlessly while still remaining the centerpiece. That versatility is what makes contemporary luxury design so powerful. And because the branding is engraved subtly into the black wood instead of using bright highlights or oversized text, it maintains a refined, premium identity. Luxury is often about restraint, using details intelligently rather than aggressively, and this design reflects that philosophy perfectly. For homeowners planning a dream villa, investing in a premium main door like this can dramatically elevate the entire exterior appearance of the home. Even before guests enter inside, the entrance already communicates elegance, confidence, and architectural sophistication. So if you're looking for inspiration to create a bold yet timeless luxury entrance, this black and gold geometric double door design is a perfect example of modern premium craftsmanship. Keep following Sanjesh Construction for more ultra-realistic luxury home inspirations and high-end design concepts. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with friends or family members who are planning their dream home construction or villa design. And let us know, would you prefer this luxurious matte black and fall for your dream home?